All right, we will try and get more details, but note this is yet another setback for the MVA, as it's Milind Narvekar now who's set to jump ship. He is likely to join Eknath Shinde camp. He is also likely to be given a ticket to contest the Lok Sabha polls under Shinde banner. So this is a source-based information that we are getting from the state of Maharashtra. Yet another blow for the MVA, as days after Sanjay Nirupam jumped ship, it's Milind Narvekar of Uddhav faction who could be jumping ship, and also likely that he could be given ticket by the Eknath Shinde camp to contest the polls. All right, we will try and go across to Aishwarya to get us more details, but Uddhav's personal secretary who's set to join Eknath Shinde camp, said to be a close aide of Uddhav Thackeray. He's all set to contest the polls, if sources are to be believed, under Eknath Shinde banner. He would be joining Eknath Shinde camp in just hours from now, is what sources tell Republic. So note, this comes days after Sanjay Nirupam also jumped ship. This is Uddhav faction leader Milind Narvekar, who is set to join Eknath Shinde camp. He is also likely to be given a ticket to contest the Lok Sabha polls by Eknath Shinde camp. All right, on that note, as we continue to track the latest breaking inputs from the state of Maharashtra, here's a look at news that we are tracking from across the country. Tajinder Singh Bittu joined the BJP after resigning from his post of AICC Secretary in charge in Himachal Pradesh and from the primary membership of Congress a short while ago. Meanwhile, Congress suffered another setback as several Congress leaders and cadres joined the BJP in presence of Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav in Bhopal. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that Rajasthan will contribute to the victory of BJP with a huge victory majority by accepting Prime Minister's model of nationalism, development, security and good governance, further adding that he's confident that BJP will win all seats in Rajasthan. UP Chief Minister Meanwhile, Congress leader and independent candidate from Purnia, Pappu Yadav, asked what Tejasvi Yadav had done for Purnia and Supol during his time as Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, further saying that it is not him who's contesting the elections from Purnia, but the people of Purnia.